So here's my Google Classroom, and to set a piece of work, I go to create an assignment, and then I give it a title like lesson 2, maths, shapes, and you can give instructions, but I don't usually bother. Then if you go to add Google Drive and recent, you can find the Jamboard that you've just created, double click that, and then this is really important. So by default, it's set to students can view the file, so like read only. You could do it so students can edit the file, but that's all editing the exact same Jamboard. Or you can make a copy for each student, which is what I want to do in this case. I want to make a copy for every single one of my students so they can all edit independently. You can set this for more than one class if you have a few classes in your year group, or you could schedule it if you don't want it to go live just yet and students to start completing it before they're supposed to. But I'm just going to go ahead and assign it, and then I can see it here in my classwork. To view the work that the students have done, although they haven't done anything yet, you just click on assigned and then you can see their names and you can see a thumbnail of what they might have done. Then back in the home page of my classroom, this is a stream where everything comes in chronological order. I can copy the link to that assignment and then go back to my Google site, add in some text saying click here if you want to complete your guided practice, and then just paste the link in there. Or you can highlight some text and use Control K to add in a hyperlink, which is nice. Or you can add a button, which is on the Insert tab, and give it a title like Guided Practice and paste the link in there. And that looks a little bit nicer sometimes. You can link it to pages in your site or to external URLs. And then if you click Preview, you'll see how it looks for the students. They've got the video, the link to the Flipgrid, and if they click Guided Practice, it takes them directly to the assignment.